this artist built?
No, this is makeshift accessory.
Okay. Is that a brand new product?
No, they've been on, but you know what? Their stuff sold pretty quickly.
Oh.
So they only have a couple things left on there.
Okay.
So that's why he gave me all this new stuff.
Oh.
They have like, these are like laser hair, you know. Yeah. So he had given me a couple other money.
That's made out of.
But the money sold that I had before. So, yeah, I think they're so fun.
Oh, I think they are too. I think they're really unique.
Yeah. And he just cranks this stuff out. He just cranks it out. They're like, anytime they're at any art festivals or anything, they have tables where they'll like have barrels full of these and full of stuff, and people are
Oh,
all
I bet
like, around.
I bet, yeah.
And what does he sell something like that for?
I think he said these are all $12.
Oh,
Super
that's
cheap.
yeah.
Some of these are like, this is like 40 something.
Okay.
The, depending on the material. we
I feel
use.
silver, which is really,
Yeah. And then he has some that are like over 100, but these are all cheap.
wow.
I think these are like $20. Yeah, these are. I'm trying to get some more reasonable stuff.
Well, and that, yeah, that's a little rocky.
But he's got a laser cutter.